Thanks for joining us at Sunday Sales and Cigars. This is Rich Laster, and today we're going to melt those cold calls. We're going to warm it up. We're going to teach you how right now. All right, so Rich Laster with GrowExpand.com. What do? We help people increase revenue, right? Without increasing revenue, what are you doing? But today we're talking about cold calls because every business owner, I don't care if you're product or service, I don't care if you're large or small, every business owner at some point in your journey, in your experience, you're going to have to make the cold call. You're calling somebody you don't have a relationship with. You're calling somebody you haven't had a warm introduction to. And you got to call them anyway. We're going to take the fear out of that for you right now. And how are we going to do that? It's very simple. I won't even be before you long today. So you can go back to football. Change your mindset. What we're realizing as a result of the quarantine, as a result of COVID-19 and its impact on the economy, on business, and the world, is that everybody's a little more emotional. Everybody seems to be a little more sensitive. Everybody kind of needs a touch, right? Your job as someone who needs to establish a relationship with the person you're calling on in order to transact a sale or establish a new client relationship, your job is to see them as someone you want to help. That's it. Your focus has to be helping. Your focus has to be adding value. And you got to believe that. And once you believe that, what you'll learn, what you'll experience is that these cold calls just melt. They're not cold calls anymore. Everybody you call, presuming that they're qualified leads, right? And we'll be talking about that in the weeks to come, right here on Sunday Sales and Cigars. Everybody who you've already qualified, you know, has some use, will see some value, some benefit in what you're offering, right? So you're calling to help. Always be closing. Knock them down. No, you're not knocking anything down. You're helping. You're helping. And that simple shift in your thinking, that simple shift in your mindset is going to make a major shift in your performance, in your bottom line. And, the bottom line is important. It's quite important. Okay? Now, as always, we're right here coming to you live. Any questions, remember, put them in the chat. We will answer them as quickly as possible. Be sure to visit our sponsor, smokeblack.com. And if we can help you at all, right? If sales just isn't your thing, stop by, growexpand.com, right? Shift that mindset and melt those cold calls.